How to update Google Play Store manually. Do you want to update Google Play Store manually from a factory version or after a factory reset? Updating Play Store and its services can help fix issues like download pending problems, app installation issues, and other errors. In this video, I'll show you two methods to download and update Google Play Store or any Android device. So let's get started. First, let's start with one method. Open the Google Play Store on your phone. At the top right, tap the profile icon, then tap Settings. Next, scroll down and expand the About. You can see Update Play Store and just click on it to update. If that doesn't work, try method 2. Open any browser on your Android and go to APK Mirror. Search for Google Play Store APK. Scroll through the search results and choose the latest version of the Play Store. Select the download button. APK files are usually downloaded directly to your Android device. Tap on the downloaded file to install the app and update the Google Play Store, and that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.